If you want to avoid damaging your upholstery and you want solid results for cleaning, pay attention.
There really is something satisfying about upholstery cleaning. Look at all that dirt coming out.
Here are 5 things that people often make mistakes with when they're trying to do their own upholstery cleaning. The first mistake we see way too many times is people take whatever products they got at home, like random dish soap, or they buy something cheap that claims to be an upholstery cleaner, but those chemicals are not great. They leave a thick residue behind that attracts more stains and dirt, and it just does not clean your upholstery the proper way. So be mindful of the chemicals you use.
Please make sure to check the cleaning code or you can risk damaging your furniture. Not everything can be cleaned the same way. This code right here is S for solvents only. Third on the list, make sure to thoroughly vacuum. That's very important, and remove pet fur.
And the fourth point is they don't take the time to start with low moisture stain removal. Try to clean as much of the stain as possible before oversaturating it. That way you can see, once the fabric is dry, what you're working with. How deeply embedded is this stain? You see, if you blast all the water with high PSI right out of the gate, you're creating a bigger mess for yourself, and you're not really sure how much of that stain has been lifted off, and it'll take forever to dry. So low moisture cleaning at first is the best way to eliminate tough stains before you move on to the next process. And the fifth point is focus on how you're trying to eliminate stains. Now, this might sound silly, but if you have a brush like this, there's a time and a place for it. But a lot of people take a brush like this and they scrub as hard as they can. And what they do is they take that surface stain and often with the chemicals embed it more deeply in the backing, which when it dries, that will resurface to the top, and then it'll look really bad and you'll think, what happened? That's not clean. That's because you're pushing that stain further down. If you're gonna use a brush, make sure to work at an angle a little bit to try and work the stain out. Don't push it into the backing. Now, what I always recommend is first and foremost, blot stains, especially stuff like ink and heavy coffee stains. Blot it up, not on a dark cloth like this. Use something light, because light cloths really show you what you're transferring onto the cloth. Simply apply the chemical and then blot it up. Again, don't push really hard, because then you're doing the same thing. You're pushing it into the backing. Just transfer it onto the cloth, and that is how you properly eliminate stains. You don't just go on scrubbing like a mad person. You don't want to do that. Now, I know I said 5 points, but here's 2 quick notes. Never oversaturate an upholstery, and always make sure you have a fan or something to dry the upholstery as quickly as possible, because that can lead to problems as well.